Aki. I haven't seen one of those for a while. He's just, he got hooked.
Got him on the thing, haven't
Yeah. Joyce got a brim there.
Bit small.
Well, he's gone for the yabby, I reckon, and he has got properly hooked.
What are we doing with him? Throw him back?
Yeah, he's only a young one.
Yeah.
Try to get the hook out without him grabbing me. I'll grab the pliers.
So you get the pliers. He's still on the bloody hook.
Yeah, he'll try and go through the net. They're pretty agile. Good old Oki, hey? Oh, sorry, buddy. They got tough skin, haven't they? There you go. Yeah, never caught one this side of the channel before. I've caught them near the seaway and that, but that's super cool. Only a baby. So cute. Off you go, buddy. Go get bigger. He shot something before he left. He took off. Parting shot. That was very unexpected. Come on, squiddies. Oh, my lure's in it. Sand whiting, is it? Oh, nice.
Yes.
Beautiful. These they go hard, don't they? They're cool fish.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Nice, well done. Chuck that in the esky.
Alright, you got
Hey.
it. That was a great bloody.
Geez, they pull hard, don't they?
Oh.
I gotta love the whiting.
There's a flathead, dog.
There's your flathead, just got to upgrade now. These are the ones that spike you, the little ones.
I know, the size.
Quick, aren't they?
Oh.
The bigger ones are easier to handle. Yeah.
I said to Joyce,
There you go. Get a bigger one.
let's just stick the knife
Yeah.
in the back of the head.
Yeah. Bit of kick to it. Oh, a bit better wintry. Yes, nice one. That's a keeper. Beautiful.
It's nice and sweet.
Beautiful. Oh, they're so beautiful. I come out just to catch them sometimes if I'm coming for fun. Nice. Classic winter whiting. Oh, another one.
Oh, got it.
They get a little bit bigger here than the other end, don't they? Got a, yeah. Yep. Bit of calamari for you guys. Fresh calamari. There you go. They are so tasty, these guys. Oh, nice. Nice one, too. Yeah. Okay. No worries. Flounder. Cool.
All the way over your line, sorry.
That's alright. No, it's going to happen with the wind. Nice little flounder. Got to be some bigger ones coming up, I reckon. Just tire him out. Oh, slow down now. Just keep his head under the water. Just bring him into the net before you bring him up a little bit. Not over yet. Nice and slow. Yeah, it's a very light trace, so just take your time. That's it. A good fish.
Oh, I've got to take the time.
Yep. When he's slowly bring him up again now, Joyce, but just don't lift his head out of the water and just guide him into the net when he's ready. Bring up a bit of a fight. Lovely flatty. Not yet. Should be just about to. Yeah, he is. Sinker. Just bring its head around this way a bit. Nice. Well done. Lovely fish. Well done.
Oh, is he?
I'll grab him.
Oh, that is nice.
Nice flatty. Well
Oh,
done.
I'm going to enjoy him tonight.
Came off. Oh, little flounder.
Well, just come up to like this.
Flats of. Oh no, brim.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not a bad brim. Just sit off the edge of it. What is it? Oh, little flatty. There'll be more there though. Just bring him up. I'll net him and get him off. Yeah, I can just lift them up. Little fella. Definitely a number of them sitting through there though. What is it? Oh, geez, nice wadding.
I started my rain, river, wide.
You lost, buddy.
Oh,
This is where they go wandering during the day. Nice. Didn't expect that, yeah. You'd think you'd be up on the shallow banks now at high tide, wouldn't you? Lost, mate. Oh, they're great fish, aren't they? Sovereign Island whiting. Taiwan. Yeah.
Oh, nice brim.
Not bad.
That could be illegal.
Could be. Yeah. Nice, clean looking brim. Nice. Oh, not bad. Yeah. Get bigger.